And that's one Camaro loaded up. Gonna be going in the shop, get pieces unloaded out of it, and going to Bismarck for a roll bar. More on this car coming up later. Hey folks, this is Jeff with the Junkyard Kid channel. Early part of this video, you've seen us loaded this Camaro up. This is the 79 Z28 that in a few of my other around the shop videos, you've seen that twin turbo small block. This is a car it will wind up going into, getting back on it. And if things go as planned, Monday this goes down to a shop in Bismarck and we will be putting a roll bar in it. But in the meantime, we got a whole bunch of stuff to clean out and get organized because you don't need that. And once this monster gets buttoned up and out, Tyler gets to work on this monster. Maybe I'll have to call him the Monster Maker. Talk to you later.